fucking jump.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're gonna do is we're gonna hack Subway Surfer. I'll leave the link of the what you need down in the description, and you guys are gonna see it right now. So what you guys need to install Subway Surfer and Lucky Patcher. After you installed it, go to Lucky Patcher, click on Subway Surfer, go open menu and patches, create modified APK file, go to APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation, put rebuild the app. I already done it, and after that you guys are gonna have to wait. I already did it, so I already did it before I even started the video, and so wait for a little bit. Now you go to Subway Surfer. Okay. Half in again. It's gonna turn off. Hold on. The heck? Okay. I know this. It just it's freezing. I'll be back when it works. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I take it off the charger. It stays. So I don't know what's something with mine. Subway Surfer isn't responding. Do you want to close it? Okay. Close it. Get back on it. Okay, now it's working. For some reason. Skate 3. Okay, now since. Okay. Do we have to play to skip the tutorial, or let's see if I did. So no, let me skip. Let me do the tutorial first. Try not to get any coins. If you can, that's good, but no. Okay, so I got a couple of coins now. What I'm gonna do is over here. Go go to home. Let me take this out. You can go to shop. I know how to do this now, but earn coins. No, store, I meant. Now you can get any. Yes. Look. It works. Look. 650 keys. Yes. 655. Ooh.
Get this watch.
See?
Did you get that?
Yeah. Okay, chest of coins. Yes. If it if it damages your phone, you know.
It is not damaging.
Okay, sure. Okay. It's now a limit. You can get how much you ever want.
Show them, because just to make sure that it actually works.
So look, that's how.
By a guy.
Watch, go menu, You might need some more keys, but you can do the same thing. So go to me. So let's get the most expensive guy.
Or the
No, character. The most expensive guy. Look, proof I haven't bought him. So now, his thing, the most expensive. So now I have that guy. Let's just go get these for they can stop annoying. You have more keys. So this hack does work. Now you can go to me, boards. You can buy the most expensivest, the monster. And you won't run out of money, you can keep doing it. Let's find another expensive one. Limited. You can buy no matter which one. Menu. So look, it does work. 2 hours left until what? Oh. So now it kind of like, it kind of goes faster, huh? Hey guys, it works. This ain't no lie skit. Well, they won't think of it, but that's basically it for this video. No. You guys can do any. It don't matter which game. Like, okay, let me pause. That's it for this game. Let's buy another one. That's it. Are you going to sleep, Moises? Okay. Now after you guys that, you can keep it. I'm erasing it. What other game? What other game that involves like money, like coins? What other game involves coins?
I don't know. Don't you think you should do that for the next video? Because it's gonna be way too long.
Okay, yeah, I think that's it for this video. So you guys, I'll leave the what you need, the link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching.